If you want to know how to make money with less clients, this video is for you. To be precise, I want to share with you the exact 3-step formula you can use to start making even 5 figures per month with just 2 clients. But there is something you need to know and be aware of. So let's dive deep into this simple and very profitable 3-step formula. Step number 1. Offer high-ticket products or services. If you want to make money with less clients, you have to provide high-ticket products or services. I can definitely say that you can sell stuff between $5,000 and $25,000. Let's suppose you start with a $5,000 mentoring or coaching program. In this specific case, you can earn $10,000 per month by helping only 2 clients a month get the results they want. Now, the concept is easy to understand, but to ask for premium prices, you have to provide premium services. For example, 2 special programs that can be sold between 5K and 25K are: number 1, mentoring and coaching programs. Number 2, done for you services. Mentoring and coaching programs are great vehicles to deliver results, and in my opinion, mentoring programs differ from coaching programs. Indeed, with the perfect mentoring program, you're able to practically guide your potential client to get a specific and defined outcome. It presupposes that you have the knowledge and experience to help your client move from point A to the final point Z rapidly, because you have already experienced the path your mentee wants to go through to achieve results. You know perfectly the obstacle, the perfect path, and how to avoid mistakes. You become the guide, the leader your client wants to trust. The coaching program is slightly different because I believe that the best coach helps you get the most out of you by asking the right questions. Instead, the mentor is more practical and he has the ability to make things happen because he has already experienced the same path the mentee has to go through. Done for you services instead are amazing, especially for entrepreneurs who value their time and are willing to invest their money to get things done fast. In this case, you have to provide a service in which you do the entire work on your own and with the help of your team. Indeed, this service involves your time, so you can ask for more money. In my case, for example, I have a mentoring program and a done-for-you service. You can check all the details from my website maxcecco.com or by visiting the link in the description below. Now, let's switch to the second step. Step number 2. Create a funnel and bring traffic to your offer. Honestly, there are different funnels you can use to sell high-ticket products or services. And to make things simple for the purpose of this video, I want to make 2 examples based on the traffic source you use to put your offer in front of your audience. Example number 1. Organic growth plus application. I have both different high-ticket offers because I started following some experts on social media, especially on Instagram and TikTok. When you share free valuable content on social media, you are exploiting organic growth. Your content establishes your authority and people start following you because of the knowledge and experience you are sharing. In this specific case, your free content is a sort of funnel that creates rapport and trust with your potential client. When they watch your content, they understand your point of view, what you think, your values, your ideas, your competency. So, at this point, to sell high-ticket products or services, you can simply put a link in your bio and ask people to fill out an application form if they want to work with you. And it's very easy to understand. Example number 2. Paid traffic plus application. In this case, since you use paid ads to put your message in front of your audience, your primary goal is to collect leads, aka potential customers that are interested in your message. Then, when they subscribe to your email list, you could push them to watch a video or a webinar. In this case, you should share the right information in order to educate your potential client to agree with your point of view first and embrace your solution secondly. First of all, the key here is to teach something without teaching. What does it mean? It means that you have to focus your attention on changing their belief system related to the product or service you want to sell. So, the question is, how could you change the belief system? This is the right process. Number one, identify your potential client's main objections regarding what you are selling. Number two, answer these questions properly while educating your audience. And number three, provide facts, case studies, testimonials, and past experiences. The main goal of this indoctrination process is to push prospects to fill out an application form if they want to work with you. Indeed, you can't pretend to sell high-ticket stuff by pressing a button on your landing page. And the next step of my formula is essential to close the sale. Speak with your potential client over the phone. Step number three, close prospects over the phone. When it comes to selling high-ticket products or services, people become nervous because you will ask them to invest thousands of money in improving their life and business. Closing prospects over the phone is one of the high-paid skills that I recommend you to master if you want to scale your business and close deals. Not only to sell something to your clients, but to establish partnerships, commercial agreements, and so on. When it comes to high-ticket products or services, do not forget that people buy results, not products or services. Your communication must be focused on providing solutions to let your target audience reach the desired results. So, to close people over the phone, I highly recommend follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Become a great listener. Start your conversation by listening. Let them speak about the situation they are living in and put yourself in a condition to be an active listener. Your prospect wants to solve a problem and they need your help. It means that you have to be genuinely interested in your prospect's situation, and your primary focus is to help them achieve their dream. Do not force the sale, but consider yourself the best consultant, ready to help the client make the right decision. Step number 2. Create empathy. Empathy is one of the best weapons to conquer your prospect's trust. You have to be genuinely interested in your prospect's problems in order to create a connection with people. Step number 3. Transformation. Especially when you sell high-ticket products or services, you are selling a transformation, not only a piece of information. Clients are willing to pay premium prices because they want a transformation. They want to change their lives. They want to improve their business. They are looking for results. With that being said, if you want to make more money with less clients, you have to learn how to create high-ticket offers. This is why I recommend you to watch this next video: how to craft the best high-ticket digital product offer. In this video, I talked about the crucial variables to create irresistible, compelling, and irrefutable offers your clients want to get. So, watch it now!